In this video, we will show you how to book a hotel on Booking.com without a credit card. If you guys want to get started with Booking.com, you can use the links down in the description. First, visit the Booking.com website or open the Booking.com app. Next, enter your destination, check-in and check-out dates, and the number of guests. Click search to see available hotels. Now use the filters to find hotels that allow alternative payment methods. Look for options like pay at the property or free cancellation. Browse through the list of hotels and click on the one that suits your needs. Review the hotel's details including room types, amenities, and guest reviews. During the booking process, select an alternative payment method such as pay at the property or pay with PayPal. Now follow the on-screen instructions to complete the booking. So that's how to book a hotel on Booking.com without a credit card. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Booking.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.